Hello, my name is Cheong Yi Fui. In this log 4, I'm going to present how to create and implement the cloud-based virtualization. So first, we visit the ThingSpeak.com with the get start for free for our account. So if we don't have one, you can create one. After that, you can see this page, then we create a new channel. So we call this, give the channel a name. So we call Fire Alarm. So for the description, just leave blank. And the field, so this here actually means the data field. So we have to consider how many fields we need to use. So we can refer back to our Arduino project. So in total we will have three values to store, which is the gas sensor value, is the temperature sensor value, and the light sensor value. So we will have to then rename this the field name. So for the field 1, we store the gas value. The field 2, store the temperature value. For the field 3, we store the brightness, so the light value. So after that, we pull down and save the channel. Then we can see the field chart here. So it's the field chart that's just created. So in order to pass the data come into this chart, so we have to go back the Tinkercad and see how do we send the data go to the ThingSpeak. So if we want to send data to ThingSpeak, first we need to have the internet connection for Arduino. In order to connect to the net, normally people will use the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module for Arduino project because it is very cheap. We can get it like below 30 ringgit. And originally, we also plan to use the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, but currently we're not able to get it in here because the Tinkercad already removed it due to the security concern. But it's okay. After this record, we will use Photoshop to edit and add in the ESP8266 into this circuit so that we can know how the whole circuit look like and if we have the ESP8266. So basically, this is how it look like if we have the ESP8266 in our circuit. And now let's look into the code and how can we set out the ESP8266. So first we need to initialize all the values, for example the SSID, password, host, HTTP port, the URL. So for the SSID and the password, this means our Wi-Fi name and also the password. And for the host is the target host that you want to send. So the URL is basically which the host lah. So we can see this one from here. API key, write a channel feed. So it's basically API feed update, then our API key. So we will have to use this write API key. So we copy this one and replace it after the API key equal. Then we step into this function. This one is the set out the ESP8266. So we begin. So this serious print AT and AT or AT plus CWJ AP. This is actually simulate the real situation if we have the physical connected Arduino to our computer, then we will have to use the Arduino IDE and call the serial monitor. The serial monitor is like this one. I'll show you here. So in this serial meter, we will have to type at the AT in the beginning. Then if it reply OK, then we can try to connect to the access point, which is our Wi-Fi. Then we type AT plus EWJP, go to our SSID, our password, and then after connected, if successful, we will get the reply of Wi-Fi connected, and also reply Wi-Fi go IP, and last we will get a reply OK. Then after we connected to our Wi-Fi, that means we have the Wi-Fi connection already. Then we can try to open the TCP connection to the host. To the host means that we open the TCP connection with the website API ThingSpeak.com, which we by using the AT command AT plus CIP start equal to TCP, and this is the host and also the HTTP port. So if we successfully connected to the website, then we will get the reply OK. And then we can start to send our data to the ThingSpeak. To send data to the ThingSpeak, we use the function here, send data to the ThingSpeak. So we can see has the parameter data case, data 10, data nline. Then all these parameters will pass to the local variable, and then we construct a HTTP call. We open a string HTTP packet and use get method. Why we know this get method? So we can see the API key here. So if we want to write to the channel feed, then we use get method API ThingSpeak update. So this is a get method. And then we pass the data. Field 1 is the data case. So what is the field 1 for our channel? Field 1 is the gas. Temperature is the field 2. Brightness is the field T. Okay, so correct. Then this one correct. Then after construct the HTTP call, we get the range of the HTTP call. Then we send the range to the host by using the command AT plus CIP send equal to range. Then if we successfully send, then we will get the send OK reply. So these two functions set out ESP A266 and send data to the ThingSpeak. So for this one, we have to put at the set out voice. So put that here. Then for the send data, we put at the voice loop last line. So after the loop, then we send the data to the. So this is all for the code explanation. Thank you.